In this MicroMain video, we'll discuss creating a demand work order and completing a demand work order in MicroMain. To create a demand work order in MicroMain, from your main work orders page, you must select the New button. Once selected, this will open up the form for a new work order. The three pieces of required information on a demand work order are service, property, and asset. Services are a predetermined list of short description of the work that's performed around your facility. Once you pick your property, it will start to filter down the list of available assets you have to choose from. Additionally, a user can change and update things like priority, standard hours, start date, and due date, along with anything in the notifications section or assignments section. A demand work order also has areas on the left-hand side for things like a description. This can be pre-populated at the service area, or it can be determined at the time of a work order creation by the person that is making that work order. A summary allows you to see the cost of that work order throughout the work order's life. Labor allows you to add any labor records and assign it to a technician. Parts allows you to assign any parts to the work order that are necessary for it. Other costs allow you to keep track of things like additional costs for materials or rental equipment. Tools is an area that acts as a time saver where you can add specialized equipment the technician might need to perform the work. Inspection points allow you to scope the work order for a technician, giving the technician a checklist of things that they must measure against while performing work. Documents is an area where you can associate things like exploded parts views, MSDS sheets, financial records, anything that you might need to refer to through the life of the work order. Mobile Docs allows you to actually put those same documents in an area where they can be seen by someone using the mobile application of MicroMain. We'll talk more about this in another MicroMain training video. Comments is an area where the technician can leave any notes after they performed work on the work order. And UDFs is an additional area for reportable information. If there is no other area for you to actually record your facility information, you'll use user-defined fields. Once you have all the information set on your work order, the next step is to hit Issue in the top right-hand corner. You'll notice once we hit Issue, the status will change from Requested to Open. Now it is ready to be worked on. Once the work is completed, we'll hit the Complete button here. It says there's no labor assigned, but we want to go ahead and close the work order anyway. We'll then get a summary box. This is the last step in completing a work order. Once you hit OK, the work order status changes to Complete and then drops off of your main work order list in MicroMain. To reopen and add additional information to a work order that's been completed, you must either check these boxes and hit Refresh, or hit Show All in the top. Double-clicking on the work order number will reopen the work order, and then you simply select Reopen Work Order. This concludes creating a demand work order and completing a demand work order in MicroMain. Thank you.